Make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Then, open the app. Next, tap the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. You will then see a new option called Reserve Username under Username. Tap on it to continue. If your Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked, you will see options to use either your Instagram or Facebook username. You can choose the one you prefer. Otherwise, tap Create Username to set up a new one. Now enter the username you want to reserve. Your username must be unique, so if someone else is already using it, WhatsApp will ask you to choose another one. After entering your preferred username, WhatsApp will check its availability. If the username is available, tap Save to reserve it. WhatsApp will then reserve the username for your account. The username will be linked to your WhatsApp profile, allowing people to find and contact you using your username instead of sharing your phone number. If you tap Contact Me by Username, you can choose who is allowed to reach you using your username. You will now see your reserved username displayed on your WhatsApp profile. And that's how you can reserve your username on WhatsApp.